This is Shannon Foster-Boline.
And this is Caitlyn Blum, and we are
Fostering Blooms.
Shannon, whose idea was it to start a gardening podcast in the middle of winter?
I think it was ours. Do you mean like in the middle of the winter when it just decided to start raining?
It's raining right now, and it's like 30 degrees out here.
And
I mean, what's not inspiring about getting your fingers in the crunchy, icy
Frozen
soil?
right, in the winter.
Yeah.
It's people think of gardening and they think, I want to do that in the snow or the rain or the cold. I'm just going to sit outside with my hat and my dogs and other animals and drink some tea. Let's have some tea.
That's actually cold now because it's cold out here.
Exactly. Yay.
You know what? No, but in all seriousness.
Yeah. No, for real.
January is a really good time to start planting your garden.
It is. And
maybe we should do it inside where it's a little bit cozier.
I think we will probably take it inside.
Yeah.
But
this is nice, though.
If I was listening, I would think, what am I going to get out of this? Like, I'm a busy person. And
why is Fostering Blooms different from
anything else? Why shouldn't I listen to somebody else? Because, well, aside from the fact that, you know, we're awesome. Aside from that, no, because I think there is really truly like we have a real friendship and we bonded. Our friendship was created because of gardening.
Yeah,
literally
because of gardening.
And we're going to talk about that because we've got an interview with Kate coming up and an interview with me coming up, and you can learn more about us. But you're going to get to follow our stories and our lives and our gardens, and we're going to give you a lot of good information.
There's some real shit going on here.
Real shit. There will be some cussing. There will be some. Yep. There will be.
But we fail. We might drop the F-bomb when our roses don't propagate, etc.
Correctly and correct, and we'll say things incorrectly like that. Well, there will be prepositions that are dangling. There will be animals.
There'll be sweaty garden palm.
We'll talk like this and say, welcome to our garden.
Welcome to our garden.
We have sweaty palms. No, we won't. But it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be a little different.
It's going to be different.
You really, truly will learn. But it's going to be.
We want to inspire you. Get out there and
grow some.
Get your fingers in the cold, hard soil mid-January and do this with us.
And then in August, come be with us when we're sweaty and dirty and trying to do rain dances.
Yeah,
because we're going to keep it real.
We want you to learn.
So
we want to inspire you, and we're going to bring you in our gardens and bring you in our homes.
And we're going to try to do all this in less than 20 minutes because we know
time for that.
Right. Nobody has time for an hour-long podcast. Do you?
That's right. I know. I have a toddler.
All right. I just don't have time.
Welcome to Fostering Blooms.
Welcome. All right.
We're glad you're here. Let's go grow, baby.
All right. Let's grow. We'll see you in the next one.